Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Abdel from the Entrepreneur Wealth channel, where I post content about affiliate marketing, but also about the other ways of making money online. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button because I post content every single day. So in today's video, guys, we're going to talk about affiliate marketing, and I'm sure you know what affiliate marketing is. It's been around for a little while now. It's one of the best ways to get started online. Because it's such a low risk business model to get started with. You don't have to deal with customer support. You don't have to deal with product shipping. I mean, especially if you're doing affiliate marketing for physical products, you don't have to worry about refunds and all of that. It's really one of the easiest ways to get started online if you're a total beginner. Because it's not even your product that you're trying to sell, it's somebody else's product. So you just have to focus on driving traffic, and then everything else is done for you. In today's video, we're going to talk more specifically about recurring commissions. Recurring commissions is a great way of generating passive income because you promote a product once and then you generate income from that same person every single month. That is a great advantage of recurring income. Like you promote a product to somebody and you make maybe $10 or $15 commission on the first month, and then every month after that you keep making that same commission. You just have to refer somebody once and you keep making commissions every single month. This is most probably one of the best ways of generating passive income, and this is exactly what we're going to talk about in this video. There are a ton of different products and services out there that offer recurring commissions, but the one that I want to focus on in this video are email marketing software or tools. This is extremely important for a lot of entrepreneurs and online businesses out there, especially in today's age where at any time you could lose your presence on social media. So it's very important that you build an email list, and this is what a lot of online businesses and entrepreneurs do. They build a huge email list that they can consistently make money from. For a lot of beginner entrepreneurs out there, they don't know exactly which email marketing software to use, which one is the best, and that's where you come in. You could promote those kind of software, and the good thing with those kind of email marketing tools is that they have recurring commissions, and if you can promote them to the right person, you can create, as I've said, like passive income over time. Examples of great email marketing software that you can promote as an affiliate include email marketing tools like GetResponse, which is extremely popular, one of the biggest out there. There's also Aweber, which has been around for a really long time. There's another one called ConvertKick, which is also very popular. There's ActiveCampaigns, which maybe you've heard of. There's also Constant Contact. So there's a ton of those kinds of email marketing software out there, and maybe some of those you're already using yourself. Now, they all have different pricing. Not all of them charge exactly the same, and because of that, the commission that they pay may be slightly different to one another, but they are all very popular email marketing tools out there, and if you promote any one of them, you are bound to get some really good sales and commissions out of them. For example, if you check out GetResponse, which has been around for a really long time, they have 2 affiliate programs for their product. They have a 33% recurring commission, which is what I'm going to talk about, which is what I would recommend you to focus on. And they also have a bounty commission where you get paid $100 per sale. Now, both of those type of commission have their advantages, but the 33% one is the one that I would recommend you to go for if you decide to promote a product like that, because again, as I've said, you would get paid every single month from that same customer that you would have referred from the first month, and this is how you build passive income. Now, the second option is also very attractive because you get paid $100 for every sale. So if you look at GetResponse pricing, you see they have different plans. They have a free plan, and then they have a basic plan, a plus plan, and a professional plan. Basically, if you refer somebody and they buy one of those paying plans, no matter which one it is, whether it's the $12 plan or the $40 plan or the $80 plan, no matter which one it is, you would get $100 per sale if you sign up for the bounty program. So this can be really attractive because it's not going to be that hard to get somebody to sign up for the $12 plan because it's not a huge plan. So you would get $100 immediately thanks to that. But as I've said, you would only get paid like once, and that's it. Whereas if you promote the 33% plan, you would maybe make a lot less money on your first commission, but you would make the same commission every single month as long as the person remains a customer to GetResponse. And as I've said, I don't know if I said that already, but a lot of those email marketing tools, they do have a high retention rates among their customers, and that's why they are willing to offer you like a $100 payment for a single commission, for a single sale that only got them maybe $12, because they know that those customers will stay for the long haul. Another one that you can look into is ActiveCampaign, which also have a 30% commission rate. They pay a ton of commissions to their affiliates. If you look at their prices, they have different plans, just as GetResponse. They have a $9 a month plan, $49 a month plan, $149. So if you look at their most popular plan, the one that is that most of their customers sign up for, the $150 plan, at 30%, 33% commission rate, you would make like around $50 per sale for their most popular plan. So this is a really good option as well, just like GetResponse, that you can promote and really start building, your affiliate commissions over time. So now that you know about this, I'm sure your next question right now is, how can I go about promoting this, right? How can I start making money with this as an affiliate? Now, there are different ways you can promote those kinds of email marketing softwares, but the best one, in my opinion, is to do it through YouTube. YouTube is, as you know, the second biggest website on the planet. It gets a ton of traffic every month, but most importantly, YouTube is not just a video sharing website. It's also a website where people go to not just watch videos, but to find solutions for their problems, or to find recommendations about product that they really want to buy in the near future. And that's why YouTube traffic is really one of the best out there. And that's where I would recommend you to post content around those particular email marketing software. Now, don't worry, you don't have to show your face. I know this is a huge obstacle for a lot of people out there, but if you take this seriously and start posting content about those email marketing software, and I'm going to show you an example of how people are doing this and making money from this, but if you take this seriously, you can really build a nice passive income over time by doing this. How you would go about promoting this exactly is, you could create like an entire YouTube account where you would just talk about one of those email marketing software. For example, let's just say you were to pick GetResponse, right? What I would recommend you to do is you could go and buy one of their basic plan, learn how to use the software, the online tool, spend like a day or two, maybe a week or two, learn everything there is about GetResponse, learn how to use the whole thing, and then you could create a whole YouTube channel where you just post content every single day about how to use GetResponse in general. I'm going to show you an example of somebody who do stuff like that, and she's making a ton of money by doing this. But this is really how you could go about doing this and start generating an income through affiliate marketing. Now, I know this is not a method of making money online overnight. This is not a method where you're going to make a ton of money in like 2 weeks or something like that. This is more of a long-term way of generating a side income, but this really, really works. This is something that I wish I knew when I started affiliate marketing a while ago. And this is what I want to share with you. So this is how you want to start doing it. Create a YouTube account, focus on one product, and then start creating content every single day. As I've said, YouTube is a massive video sharing website, the second biggest website on the planet in terms of traffic. There are a ton of people out there who are looking for videos about those specific email marketing software. And if you create videos every single day, and I'm going to show you in a minute the demand for those kind of software, but if you can create content every single day on your YouTube channel, you don't have to show your face. You can just screen record your computer, showing people how to use the software, how to create email marketing campaigns and all of that. You would eventually start getting sales from people. For example, if you go on YouTube and you type in, let's say, GetResponse review, you'll see that there are people out there who've created videos about GetResponse reviews, and they get like thousands of views. And there's a reason why they are doing this, because they're trying to get the viewers from people who are on the verge of buying those products, and they want their videos to be in front of the right eyeballs. Because then, let's say you're somebody who is on the verge of buying GetResponse and you come across one of those videos, eventually you will watch those videos, and if you like what you've seen, you're most likely going to click on the affiliate link of one of those people. And this is what you want to do. You want to create a YouTube channel, and you want to create content just about one of those email marketing tools. If you look up also how to set up email campaigns, you will see that for that keyword as well. There's a lot of people creating content around it. There's so many keywords that you can go for around the email marketing niche, and you can simply create a video around each keyword every single day. It's really not that hard. It's really a question of habit. You just have to get into the habit of creating at least one video a day, and eventually all your videos will start stacking up and you will start getting views and views over time, and the affiliate commission will start rolling it eventually. For example, if I go inside of my keyword inspector tool, which is a feature of the vidIQ Chrome extension, and I look up, for example, let's say get response, you will see that every month there are over, I think, a few thousand, like 100,000 people looking for get response videos every single month. And as you can see, the competition is very, very low. If you go on YouTube and you type get response, you might see a lot of videos in there, but a lot of those videos were created a long time ago, like this video here 1 year ago, 1 year ago, 2 years ago. So people are not actively creating content for this particular keyword, and that's where you come in. You could come in and create videos about get response, for example, and as you can see, there's 100,000 people every month typing get response on YouTube. And if you can get just a small fraction of that traffic, you could certainly start getting a lot of affiliate sales. For example, if I look up, let's say active campaigns, you will see that, okay, I want 1,400, which is also not bad. Let's say active campaign, 41,000 searches every month, which is pretty good as well. If I type in, let's say, email marketing, you will see that there are over 384,000 people looking for email marketing videos on YouTube. So basically what you have to do is create a YouTube channel and start pumping out content every single day around email marketing or around one of those email marketing tools that are out there. And eventually your channel will become like the go-to channel for those kind of content. Obviously, you have to learn some of those things. That's why I recommend you to invest in one of those tools and spend like a few weeks learning how to do this. I know this is not a make money online video where you can make money online overnight, but this is really a long-term way of making money online, of building passive income over time. And this really, really works. Just to show you examples of people who are doing similar things to what I'm talking about, if you check out this channel here by this person by the name of Bobby Figueroa, she basically posts content almost not really every day, but every now and then she posts content about this tool called Builderall, which is a funnel building tool. And basically her whole channel was built around just talking about this tool. Now, if you look at some of her videos, she does not get like thousands of views, but just because she posts a lot of content just about this particular tool, she's been able to create passive income from promoting this one tool only. In one of her videos, she talked about how she's now making like, I think $5,000 or $6,000 a month, 100% passive income. And all she did, she just talked about this Builderall tool on her videos. Another example here is this channel called Web Academy. And basically, if you watch some of their videos, there's this girl here who basically makes a video every single day. Now she's slowed down a little bit, but she used to make a video every single day, basically showing people how to create a website. And basically every video she would post every single day was basically the same thing: how to create a website, how to create a website, how to create a website for beginners, how to create a converting website, online store tutorial, how to create a website. It's basically the same thing every single day. And as you can see, she would get like 5,000 views, 5,000 views, 3,000 views. And in her description, she has like affiliate links to different website building platforms like Wix and Squarespace. And Squarespace, I think, is what it's called, Lead Pages. So that's her entire channel was just about how to build website, and she would make affiliate commissions that way. And this is what you want to get inspiration from and start building your whole YouTube channel around something similar to this. The goal here is to become a top creator in your niche, and if you can do that, your videos will always pop up in front of the right eyeballs every time somebody is looking for that particular keyword that is related to your niche. There you go, guys. I hope you've liked this video. I hope you've learned something new in this video. If you have, don't forget to give this video a like. I would really, really appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.